Morning, good morning. How's everybody doing on this Monday? Oh yes, I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, do yourself a favor. The link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, see what I got going on. All right, we're back just to do a update for Stable Swap, guys. At the recording time of this video, let's refresh the screen, see where we are with our numbers over here far as the platform is concerned. Total providers, which is the crypto cryptopreneurs that have actually parked crypto in the platform and they obtained some liquidity pools or pool. We've got 1,754, and then the liquidity itself is 1.7 million. They're going to definitely be at that 2 million here very soon. I'm very impressed with Stable Swap because they've only been online since early November 2023, and they don't even have 2,000 crypto providers, okay, crypto investors. And they have, and it's crazy, and they have 1.7 million in the platform. I've seen platforms out here where they've got thousands and thousands and thousands of people in the platform, and they're still not where we are in a short period of time. So that tells me that the people want this type of platform in the space, okay? And it's very well needed in the space because we're looking for more sustainable platforms that's here to stick around. And this one is very special as well because the owner, we know who he is. Danny D is one of the co-founders. He's hands-on with this program. That's what I like. We see him out here. Matter of fact, he had another Zoom on Saturday, okay? And so he's definitely out here, and he wants this platform to last. That's what it's here for. And that's why it's not a hype. If you take a look at the terms, it's very low conservative, but it's decent, okay? This could stick around, all right? 300 days you're looking at for this term, you're looking at 10.5. If you have a 30-day month, 10.5 a month ROI, okay? That's reasonable, all right? Liquidity pools, we've got 3 of them. We got the 60-day one, and it's 0.10 per day, 7 days a week. This thing pays out. All right, you can withdraw any day you want as long as you got 50 in your balance. It's crypto in, crypto out. They only deal with 2 coins, USDT and USDC. Then they have a 120-day term, guys, 0.2% per day. All right. 73% APR, and then the one I've been signing up with for each time is a 300-day, okay? But you decide, you get in where you fit in, what works for you, and make sure you're using risk capital in all these anyway, okay? Because they all are risky. I'm not an advisor. I'm just giving you the information, and I'm telling you what I'm doing or showing you what I'm doing, all right? So, may be for you and it may not be, all right? So the daily rewards on this one is paying out 0.35% per day. Okay, that's what I'm saying, 10.5 a month for this one. All right, so 3 terms. That's how that goes. Very simple. They've got the liquidity calculator. You can click here and kind of play around with this and kind of see what your numbers would be. All right, that's a new feature they recently added. Then they also added over here the gift liquidity, which I think is pretty dope because you actually can just gift someone within the platform one of these terms, right? Either short term, long term, or medium term. Just make the selection, and it was no fee to do so. Select the coin you're going to use, their username or email, enter the amount. The minimum is 50, and you put that amount in there and click send, and you just gifted someone a term just like that with no fee. I love it. All right, guys. So that's 2 new features they just added last week. And then, of course, This is a passive platform, but if you decide you want to share it with others, right, it's 5% on level 1. Level 2 and 3 is going to be going away, okay? That's going away because they don't want to be affiliated with as if this is an MLM with all these levels, right? So that's going to go away, and I'm okay with that because we want this platform to stick around. But, so let's focus on level 1. So you're going to earn 5% off of everybody's deposit they put into the platform. Every time they buy a liquidity pool, you're going to earn 5% on that. Not to mention over here, as long as you got 100 in the platform, if you have a liquidity equal 100, right, you're going to be able to earn 10% off of everybody daily, whatever they're earning daily. So if you have someone, let's just say you got a person that's earning 20 a day, you got a person that's earning 1,000 a day, a person that's earning 500 a day, you're going to earn 10% off of each one of those people daily. So you're earning daily off of their earnings daily, okay, plus your own, all right? Then you're going to earn every time they purchase a new term, a liquidity pool, you're going to earn 5%, all right? So this is awesome. So I'm excited about what this has brought to the space. This is definitely a staple for me, all right, that I'm sticking and staying. As I said to you guys before, I'm only going to be working with the projects I have. I will not be adding any more hypes, okay, at least for now, all right? So we're going to stick with what we've got, what's already working, okay? All right, so this is definitely one you want to check out. Stable Swap, the link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so we've got 3 options here: deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer. Deposit, very simple if you want to get started, guys. Crypto in, crypto out. As I stated, they only deal with USDT and USDC. So you make your selection here, select deposit. Which coin do you want to deposit? Okay, to purchase your liquidity pool. Click that coin, and then it gives you these options of which chain you're going to use, whether it's Tron, Ethereum, or Binance. On USDT, if you select USDC, your options are Ethereum chain or Binance Smart Chain, okay? And be mindful of the deposits, okay? So let's just say we want USDT Tron chain. We're going to click there. The QR code and the wallet address is going to appear. It tells you right here, pay attention, pay attention. It says right here, deposit. The minimum is 50. So if you go in here and you put 49 in, guess what? Look here, it says less than 50, you will be charged $3.50. Okay? And you're not going to have the amount you need in the platform. So why do that? Put, if worst case, put over, right? It'll just be sitting up here in this wallet. So next time you make a deposit, you can add it to that. All right? But if you put less than the amount here, there's a fee. Okay? So that's the fee for that one. If you select Ethereum chain, ERC20, it tells you the minimum is $250. So you can't come in here and put $249, $248. They're going to charge you $20. See right here, less than $250 is $20. So pay attention, okay? So it's just that simple though. You go here, click deposit, select your coin. Here's the QR and the address to send your deposit right in, okay? And it's going to show up in one of these boxes. Whichever coin you selected, this is where the deposit is going to show up. Once it shows up, step 2 would become the liquidity pool and select. Okay, so for example, I already got in my dashboard, right, 25 is sitting here. So if I want to make a deposit, I don't even have to do that. I just come to liquidity. I've got 25. I've got enough to select another pool. Liquidity for 300, okay, 300 days. If I click here, provide liquidity, see the 20, it says the minimum is 25. So I have that. I got 2502. I could literally right here click this, the check mark here, put 25, click here, accept the terms, and click confirm. Boom, I'd have a new one just like that, and it would show up down here. And you're ready to roll, and it'll start earning for you 24 hours from that time, day after day after day after day after day for the term, okay? All right, guys, That's it. It's real simple for the deposit. Now, if you want withdrawal, you click withdrawal. You come here, you select the coin. Same thing, but it tells you here the minimum withdrawal. All right. So over here is the internal transfer. Now this is different. Remember, gifting, there's no charge, but over here there is a 0.5% fee because you're actually just adding crypto to someone's wallet. You're gonna select the coin. You're gonna use input their username or email here, and the amount, and it just goes to their dashboard. It'll be sitting up here, right? Versus the gifting option, you actually select a liquidity pool for them. You give them an actual liquidity pool, a staking pool. Okay, so there's no fee for the gifting, but if you select this, it's 0.5%. All right, so that's how that goes. But those are the three options. It's a pretty simple platform. It's, you know, and there's no KYC required. Okay, guys, pretty cool platform. I'm really liking what they've got going on here. So this is definitely one I highly recommend you go check out. Again, the owner is hands-on. I really like that. We know who he is, and we see what he's trying to do. Right now, well, this program is out of the Philippines, and actually they've got an office you can go visit. Okay, if you want to go check them out, just make sure you go to the Telegram group. You'll see the information there, and you can reach out to Danny D, and he can have you come by. They have presentations certain days out there too. So if you're in the Philippines or near there, you can go out and see a live presentation on specific days. All right. So they're very visible. They're out of Philippines, and they're offering the over-the-counter services. It's in the Philippines right now, but the next country up is going to be India, right? So that's going to be next. So this thing is just growing and growing and growing and growing. This is definitely something I'm excited of being a part of. All right, so there you have it, Stable Swap. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info, guys. All right, there it is. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.